We are less than 2 minutes away from walking into Fats, sitting down, ordering a big meal. I'm so excited.
So cornbread to go.
If you are in Seattle, you have to go to Fats. You have to. You can't miss a trip in Seattle without going there. The food is amazing. Erica's amazing. She just crushed it. They've been open for 7 years now. They're celebrating 7 years in less than a month, I think, or in a month. Look at him, he's already eating it. It's that good. My heart is so happy. I feel completely satisfied. If I lived here, I'd go there every week.
For real.
We can't speak highly enough of Fats.
It's beautiful out here at Lake Washington. We just watched the sunset, saw a guy racing his boat. Saw Bella's twin here, was like 20 pounds heavier though, and they didn't even like look at each other twice. They just walked right by each other like they did. Two strangers in the night. Like, I don't know why.
It's such a bulldog thing.
The most bulldog thing ever, not even acknowledge each other and just walk right by each other. Like, yeah. It's been nice to be able to see Rainier off in the distance. You see the city, Bellevue off across the lake, and clouds and mountains everywhere you look. It's a nice way after that delicious meal to just kind of walk it off a little bit, up and down. We got sailing dreams.
Not living on a sailboat.
No, not living, but like for the day. Or like a couple.
Learning how to. I want to learn how to.
Yeah, learn how to.
The line starts right here, and it goes all the way to right here.
I don't know how to say it, but we're at Peroshi's and we're gonna get some baked goods. Or like little handheld baked goods with filling. The smell was so strong when we walked by. I was like, we have to get some. After seeing like 3 different bakeries, I was like, all right, this is the last one we're gonna pass. We have to get some.
First impressions?
That was the salmon pate.
No one does crime in right.
First impression, very good. Very good.
All right, my turn. I think this one is the potato, egg, and cheese. Is it? No.
That's the almond marzipan.
The marzipan. Did we get 3 or 4?
4.
We got 4. I found the potato, egg, and cheese.
Recommend it?
Oh my gosh, this place is amazing. Go here. So flaky, buttery, soft, flavorful. So good.
We are the worst budget travelers ever.
We're failed budget travelers.
Yeah, we went to Fats, spent a bunch of money, came here, spent some money. But before that, we ate somewhere else. When we're in the cities, we eat everywhere. It's better for us to just stay in the woods. Look at the city drop too much money.
Any budget travelers out there, give us some tips, but we like to eat, so.
Yeah, we like trying new foods. What can I say?
We just got back to the van, but I want to give you a recap of Pike's Market. We were here last year around the same time, but we didn't get to go as in-depth as we did this time. We even got to see them throw the fish this time, which was a really cool experience. We walked the entire length of the market, and there's definitely something there for everyone. It's one of those things that's very touristy, but if you are in Seattle, it's one of those things that's absolutely worth a visit. We ate the most amazing pastries, and I'm just can't stop thinking about when I'm gonna get another one of those pastries in my mouth. So good. What the? We are definitely in the city. Keep that in mind when it comes to parking. You're going to have to find somewhere on the street parking, and you're gonna have to pay unless you park far back. So glad we came here. And guess what? Pretty soon we're headed out of Seattle today.
So we have some chores to do.
We have a few chores to do before we leave. We gotta do our laundry, we gotta go to a dump station, and I gotta go to one more beachside park before we leave the area. Let's go.
Everybody ought to like throw a roll of nickels before they leave, you know? It costs you $1 or $2.
After lounging around on the beach, taking in this ocean breeze, it's time for us to move out. We're headed to go see this Fremont Troll. I don't know what it is. Denise found it online, so we have to go see it.
Rita's never heard of the Fremont Troll. I thought everyone had heard of it. Fremont Troll? Anyway, I thought everyone's heard of it, but he hasn't, so I gotta show him.
And then we're gonna go to Kerry Park and look at the skyline of the city before we're rolling out of here, and then we will start heading to somewhere very special. There's your Space Needle.
I got the view of the Space Needle just like I wanted. We just finished up at Kerry Park, which is a great view of the skyline and also a really good view of the Space Needle. Just be aware that you're gonna have a lot of people here with you as well, because it is a popular destination. There are even some tour buses that came by. It's kind of a smaller park, but it's a great place to have a picnic as well, and just take a look at this beautiful city that's behind us. I'm glad we came by. We're having dessert before dinner. We want to get out of the city and on our way to Rainier, where we're going next. And we want to get a few hours on the road, so we were like, well, what can we eat now to, you know, to satiate us? And we got some cheeky ice cream here, and we're gonna shamelessly eat like half the tub. The streets are very tight out here, so if you are driving here with your van, just keep that in mind that you're gonna be on some tight streets, for sure. You're doing a great job, bud.
Good morning. We are here at Mount Rainier, but that's a story for another day. So we'll have to catch you on the next one.
Wow. Buried by snow for over 9 months, blasted by freezing winds, clutching at thin volcanic soil, it seems amazing that anything could grow under these conditions. Yet subalpine meadow plants thrive at this elevation.